Hi guys, welcome back to Decorating Happily Ever After. I'm Jeffrey Kevin. Today we're in my breakfast room and I've set a sweet little Christmas tablescape. I call this my Santa's baking tablescape. Several years ago I started collecting baking items for Mother at Christmas time. Rolling pins and other items that she sometimes uses and we display in the kitchen. Now I know these things aren't necessarily for a tablescape, but I wanted to share them with you, so I use them on the table today. Normally we keep them on the island, on our sideboard, or the countertops. Be sure and stick around to the end of this video and I'll show you Mother's cute little vintage style stove. For this tablescape, along with the baking items, I'm also using lots of peppermints, polka dots, and ginger babies. So let's take a look around the table. For today's tablescape, I'm using a polka dot red and white tablecloth. I found this on eBay. And for the dinner plates, I'm going to use my peppermints. Those came from Hobby Lobby. I have red dinner napkins. And for the salad plate, I have these cute red plates that say Baking Spirits Bright, and they've got little gingerbread cookies and little star cookies. I got these last year at Dollar Tree. For the flatware, I'm going to use my polka dot, red and white. These came from Jenny's. And I had these cute little candy stripe glasses that I picked up at Dollar Tree ages ago. But I usually pull them out because I think they're so cute. And I had these cute little individual salt and pepper shakers. This one is the little gingerbread man. And here's his little gingerbread house. I found those this year at Cracker Barrel. I had to have them. It's hard for me to get out of their gift shop without succumbing to something. Guys, I know I've said it before, but it bears repeating. We don't actually eat at this particular table. Mother and I just have our coffee here in the morning and enjoy all of our pretties. And so it's more of a display than a working table. So I'm free to decorate it as heavily as I like. Now here for the centerpiece, I have my Chef Santa. Isn't he cute? He's got his apron on. He's a cookie tester or taster. He's got a little cookie cutter there that's a gingerbread man, and I've just purchased him in an arrangement. This is one of my creations from the store. I've got these pretty pipe cleaner poinsettias, and they're iced with snow. And these fun little sugar cane, I guess they're sugar cubes on little candy cane stems. I also have candy canes, red and white. And I've got gingerbread ribbon and other little candy fillers. Here's a cute little set of measuring cups. It's got a little gingerbread house on there. And I've perched it on top of a little candy stripe cake stand. I got those at Walmart along with several of the little items here today. I believe what started this collection was this little set of Santa little teaspoons and measuring spoons. I found those first, and then I began to see other little baking items. I had this sitting on a pretty candy cane swirl cake stand that I believe I picked up at a thrift store. And I love this little teapot. We've got Santa, and he's been making a gingerbread house. And it came from what I describe as definitely a junk shop. And on the table here I've mixed in some little cupcake stands, but I'm just using them to perch my little peppermint candles on. I found those this year at Hobby Lobby. And in keeping with our baking theme, I have these cute little ginger babies, and they're laying on a little baking sheet like they just came out of the oven. Here at the back corner, I've got a large mixing bowl. He's got the gingerbread man. He's lost his arm. It says, "Oh snap." And I'm using my candy cane candles along with some mercury glass candy cane candle holders. Here's a cute little mug. And if I can get way back here to the back, I'll show you. This is a little gingerbread man baking pan, and you can cook just one in there. I found that at Goodwill. It was probably in a gift set, if I guess. And that's the little cast iron little skillet just for one little gingerbread man. Here I have another set of measuring spoons, and these are ginger babies. You've got the little teeny tiny one all the way to the largest at the bottom. And those came from Walmart too. They were part of a little collection that Walmart had. I think it was last year. And here's a sweet little rolling pin. It's red with a little white end. It sort of makes me think of a Christmas candle. I believe that was a thrift store find. And this is one of Mother's favorite little pieces here. It's got the little gingerbread house on it, and it came from Walmart. It is a little mixing bowl that has the little pour spout, and she does use this for cupcake batter and cake batter. And that was one of the earlier pieces that I bought as well. Now back here we have some metal cake stands. I actually picked these up only a couple days ago at Walmart. And on top, he's brand new too, this little ginger baby cookie jar. It also came from Cracker Barrel. We ate there the other night and I had to have him. And I've got a little peppermint ribbon candy votive holder. And way back there in the back, I have a little peppermint milk pitcher. Here's another little gingerbread cookie on a baking sheet. Back here at the back, I have my chef tree. At the very top, there's a little chef's hat that I had to make myself. And I've got a ginger baby bow. And there's all kinds of little mercury glass ornaments that are fruits and veggies. And there's cute little people that are like veggie and fruit people. And underneath it, I've got a little light up gingerbread house. And another little gingerbread man. I've hung up some of my gingerbread stockings. And here in the chairs, I have these cute little plush ginger babies. This is the little girl. I picked these up. Well, actually, this one came from a thrift store. And then this year, I got the mate at Hobby Lobby. And here's the little guy. He's got his little chef's hat on. Aren't they just too cute? Now, I have lots more ginger babies, but for this table, I only pulled out some because we're sort of mixing the Santas and the ginger babies and all the little cooking items. And also, I've decorated the chandelier here over the table. I've put a bow at the top with a gingerbread ribbon. And then hanging off, I have these cute little gingerbread men. I've got those hanging off of each arm. And then these are some little wooden rolling pins that I found. I got those at Hobby Lobby. And these are little measuring, well, no, they're not measuring, but they're just little teaspoons with a candy stripe handle. Those are from William & Sonoma. And then this is a sweet little ornament, a little ginger baby ornament that my niece got for me years ago. It's one of my faves. Well guys, don't let the apron fool you. I'm no cook. Mother is the one that does the cooking and the baking in this house. I do make coffee and I microwave, but that's it. I bought this stove for Mother several years back when we remodeled the house. It came from a company out of Canada called Heartland, and they sell these neat vintage style ovens and stoves, and they're basically all the modern conveniences. They have them. This is a flat top. It has a convection oven, and here in the top are the controls. You've got your clock and fan and other settings. And at the bottom there's a warming drawer. Pretty cute, isn't it? The red was a custom color. And I've set it here with Mother's polka dot cookware. I found that for her 1 year from Jenny's, and I thought it was so cute I had to get it for her. I hope you guys stick around. I'm sorry that it's taken me so long to get started on my Christmas videos, but my schedule at the store has been unbelievable this year. But that's a good thing. And so I'm going to have a lot more videos coming for Christmas, but they're going to be coming very rapidly. So be sure and stay tuned. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave me a comment below. Give this video a thumbs up and share it with a friend. Be sure and subscribe to my channel, Decorating Happily Ever After, and turn on the notifications bell so you never miss a video. I'm Jeffrey Kevin, hoping that someone bakes you happy this holiday. Bye-bye now.